Now, let's also factorize this expression. We have 21v equals to 8v squared minus 9. So you have 21v to be 8v squared minus 9. Now, first thing you need to do, bring all this expression back to the left hand side. So you have 21v. When this one cross over, so you have it will be minus v squared plus 9 equals to 0. Now let's rearrange s squared bx plus c. Right, I want this expression to follow this pattern. So the s squared is coming first. So I want the v squared to come first. So it will be minus v squared plus 21v plus 9 to be 0. Now, in a way, I don't want this minus sign behind this v squared. Although if I solve it this way to work, it will give us a lot of work. Now let me just multiply all the expression by minus. So you have 8v squared, that is minus times minus become plus. So 8v squared minus multiplied by plus become minus 21v then minus 9 to equals 0. So the next thing to do is to find the sum of roots and also the product of roots. Now the sum of roots here will be minus 21, while the product will be 8 multiplied by 9, which is minus 72. Now after this, we need to look for two values. Now in which one you add the two values together, it will give you minus 21. And when you multiply the two values together, it will give you minus 72. So the two possible values are 24 and 3. Now although 16 plus 5 will give you this, minus 16 minus 5 will give you this, minus 21. But minus 16 multiplied by minus 5 will not give you this. So it's not possible. So when you keep trying, at the end of the day, so the most possible values are minus 24 and minus 3, plus 3. Your minus 24 plus 3 will give you minus 21. Minus 24 multiplied by plus 3 will also give you this. So for me, we have 8v squared minus 24v plus 3v minus 9 equals 0. Now, your minus 24v plus 3v will give you this minus 21v. So you bring the first one, the last two together. So you have 8v squared minus 24v plus 3v minus 9, which is 0. Now, let's bring out the common expression. Now, 8 can divide these two values without any middle. So you have 8v. V is also common. So for now, you have v minus 3. That is 8 divided by 24 divided by 8 will give you 3. And when we expand this, you will get this. So you have plus. The common value here is what? Is 3. V minus 3, which is 0. So you bring the two values outside together. It will be 8v minus 3. And v minus 3 is 0. That is, you pick one of these two expressions. So you either have 8v minus 3 equals 0, or v minus 3 equals 0. So it will be v equals to 3 divided by 8, or v equals to 3. And these are the roots of this equation here.